And this was just for fun. It was a one of those travel size barber saw shaving cream containers that I cut down. And I basically cut the bottom off, cut the top off, put some carbon felt inside, and shove the top back down in. Took that little plastic thing out there, drilled some holes around. So I'll give you a little demonstration. Now I need to start putting disclaimers, I guess, in my videos, but do not try this at home. What I'm doing is stupid, should never be attempted. I do this so you don't have to. Sometimes if you just heat the can a little bit, see how it starts up better then. There we go. I don't know the physics or the science behind that, why a cold can, needs to be heated like that when it comes to these alcohol stoves, but see if I can turn off another light. Since I got it fired up, why not? I'm not going to do any boil testing or anything like that, but so I just thought I'd share that with you guys. I don't even know if it's doing anything yet. Nah, not yet. Water's warm. I guess fire will do that, huh? Just playing around, I thought it was fun. Alright, take care. God bless.